Right, so today's been delivery day and I've just had a pair of these loop earbuds or earplugs come through, because I've been having a bloody nightmare trying to find a good pair of earplugs to use while I'm on my bike, and nothing just fits in my ear nicely. I've got a pair of the Alpines, got a pair of the Ardavives. I mean, those Ardavive things are crap. They don't even sit in your ear. They're so difficult to get in because the stem, that bit that pokes into your ear, is so soft. I had a really hard time getting them in. The Alpines, whilst they actually could do a relatively good job, they just take so long to put in because you have to use this applicator to actually get them into your ear in the first place. So yeah, I wanted to find something that, you know, is just easy, bosh, put it in your ear, it's good to go, you can go out riding. I just want to minimize the amount of time I spend getting ready to go for a ride and maximize the time I'm actually riding, right? So yeah, boom, put these in, really quick, really easy. They block out so much sound, but at the same time they let through a good amount of sound as well. So like right now my music is playing in my Cardo headset, and actually I can hear the music really clearly, the bass is coming through and everything. The only thing I'd say is right now it's probably blocking a little bit too much, but I have put the mutes in. So with the Loop Experience 2 Plus, you have these little rubber loops that go inside the ring that add a little extra layer of sound protection. So yeah, I'd probably run them without them, to be honest, depending on the ride I'm going on. If I'm going on a long ride, I may decide to put them in, but having that option is great. So yeah, fuck man, this is great. Finally a solution to the problem. I just wish I hadn't spent so many tries with so much money trying to find the right pair and gone with the loops, because they were actually the ones I was looking at in the first place. But yeah, I will do a little update on these, how I feel about them long term. But yeah, just wanted to chat about that a little bit, because I see a lot of sponsored ads for these Ardavive things, and honestly, unless you've got big gaping ear holes, they're just a nightmare to put in, and I think most people don't have big gaping ear holes. So yeah, there's that. Also, so first ride out with these new boots on, and yeah, they're fucking comfortable. They do feel a bit strange because I'm not used to wearing full-size boots, but I'm adjusting to them quite quickly. Been wearing them for a little bit longer in the day just to sort of let them wear in and break in a little bit. But so far so good. I'll probably do a proper review on them once I've been riding around in them for a while. But for now, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.